All right, let's unbox something super cool today. Here's the proxied mail deal from AppSumo. Look at this. Just the name screams privacy and control, right? Let's get this open and see what's inside. Packaging is clean, minimal, and feels techy. First impression, it's all about email security. Proxied mail promises effortless email identity management. No more juggling multiple inboxes or worrying about leaks. I'm logging in. Setup is super straightforward. Dashboard is intuitive. Everything's right where you need it. Let's try creating a new email identity. Just a click. Wow, instant. No waiting, no confusing steps. Switching between identities is seamless and fast. I love how organized my inbox feels already. Security features stand out. Two-factor authentication included. Inbox feels shielded from spam and phishing attempts. There's even an activity log for tracking access. Perfect for privacy-conscious users like me. Business professionals, this is a lifesaver. Tech enthusiasts will appreciate the advanced controls. Let's talk about the exclusive AppSumo deal. You get premium features at a fraction of the price. Honestly, it's hard to find a better value. I'm checking the settings. Customization options are robust. You can tailor notifications, filters, and forwarding. No unnecessary clutter, just pure functionality. Support is responsive with helpful guides built in. I tested sending and receiving. No delays, no hiccups. Everything syncs smoothly across devices. Privacy policies are transparent, which I really respect. If you value your online identity, this is essential. I feel way more secure using proxied mail. It's not just for techies, anyone can use it. Setup took me less than 5 minutes, seriously. Managing multiple emails has never been easier. I'm impressed by the enhanced inbox security. No more worrying about data breaches or spam. AppSumo's deal makes this a total no-brainer. If you're on the fence, now's the time. I genuinely recommend grabbing proxied mail today. Don't miss out. Secure your email with proxied mail. Check the link below for the best AppSumo deal.